guys, I got a 2004 Toyota Prius, and I'm going to show you how to get the most miles per gallon out of your car. So a lot of times when I get these, they average about 35 to 45 miles a gallon. I'm going to show you how to get a lot more than that and how to effectively drive this vehicle so you can get the most out of it. So the first thing you want to know is this isn't a fast acceleration car. If you want to try to go fast and accelerate fast, you're going to kill your miles per gallon. This is kind of a grandma car. You want to drive it like you're a grandma. And what that means is very slow acceleration. You want to use that hybrid battery and get that 99 miles a gallon when you're accelerating. And then when you're going highway speeds, you want to kind of let off that gas a little bit and just kind of coast. And that gives you high miles a gallon too. So right now I'm at 41.8 miles per gallon. When I got this car, it was at about 34 miles a gallon. So I'm doing a lot better for the 15 minutes that I've been driving it. Obviously when you're going down hills, just let it coast. That'll enable you to get a lot higher miles per gallon and really help that miles per gallon out. Okay, when you're braking, try your best not to come to a sudden stop. Kind of just coast to a stop, and if you really have to brake, just barely touch the brake and slow down, because when you're touching the brake, that it's a regenerative braking system, so it actually charges the battery and helps you get better gas mileage as well. So what we're going to try to do here is always get that miles per gallon on the right hand side as high as possible. So if you see it start going down, let off the gas a little bit. If you're going up hills, let off the gas a little bit and just try not to accelerate too much. You may have people that aren't too happy with you and honk at you, and if that's what's happening, then you're doing it right. This can help raise your miles per gallon by 10 miles a gallon or more, so it is worth it. Don't use cruise control. That's another one. When you're on the highway, just drive it regularly without cruise control. Cruise control actually can lower your miles per gallon. Also, stuff that doesn't really have to do with driving, have your spark plugs and ignition coils replaced if it's past 100,000 miles. Do regular oil changes, add some fuel treatment to your gasoline. And then also, if your battery's bad, you're not going to get good gas mileage really no matter what happens. So make sure you address that battery, and have other videos on how to rebuild the batteries. They're not too bad. But yeah, that's my video. If you have any other questions, let me know. But that is how you get the most out of your Toyota Prius. Thanks for watching.